Hello everyone, welcome back to Market Fetch. In today's video, we're breaking down last week's biggest market moves, top winners and losers, and what to watch going into next week. Whether you're trading or just tracking the trends, this is your weekly edge. Let's get started. Let's start with the macro. The Dow Jones and S&P 500 posted another week of gains, while the Nasdaq cooled slightly as tech stocks took a breather. The US government shutdown dragged on, delaying key data releases and adding uncertainty. Meanwhile, inflation data stayed sticky. The Fed's preferred PCE index rose 2.7% year over year, keeping rate cut expectations in check. On the bright side, consumer spending came in strong, suggesting households are still holding up despite high prices. Sector rotation was the story of the week. Energy stocks led the way thanks to rebounding crude oil prices, while utilities and real estate outperformed as investors sought safety. On the flip side, consumer discretionary and communication services lagged. Hitachi surged 10% after announcing an AI partnership with OpenAI, while Nvidia and Applied Materials slipped amid new US export restrictions. Here's your top 5 winners and losers of the week. Winners: 1. Hitachi, plus 10%, AI collaboration buzz. 2. ExxonMobil, boosted by oil rebound. 3. Diamondback Energy, riding the energy rally. 4. Duke Energy, utilities play catching a bid. 5. Realty Income, solid week for REITs. Losers: 1. Applied Materials, export worries weigh. 2. Nvidia, cooling after strong run. 3rd, Tesla, soft demand concerns. 4. LVMH, luxury sector dip. 5. Adobe, slight pullback after AI volatility. A few storylines dominated investor sentiment: the ongoing rotation out of mega-cap tech into defensives, concerns about US-China trade tensions and chip export bans, the government shutdown risk and delayed economic data, the Fed's cautious tone, keeping investors guessing on timing of rate cuts. Looking ahead, traders are watching 3 key catalysts: October jobs report and inflation data. Any sign of weakness could spark volatility. Corporate earnings season, especially from tech, banks, and energy. Fed commentary. The next move on rates could reshape risk appetite. The market remains cautiously optimistic, but any surprise in inflation or policy could spark a pullback. So, what's the takeaway from all this? 1. Diversify your portfolio. Don't chase just AI or tech hype. 2. Manage risk. With volatility near lows, it's easy to get complacent. 3rd, watch catalysts. Trade around key data, earnings, and Fed decisions. Keep a shopping list of quality stocks. Corrections often bring opportunity. That's a wrap for this week's Market Fetch recap. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's breakdown. What sectors are you watching next? Drop your thoughts below, and as always, stay informed and trade smart.